Welcome back, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're doing the Milwaukee pipe cutter. Oh yeah, it's one of these bad boys. You've seen it before. Yeah, you know what? I've been wanting to get one of these for some time and I've always put it off. I thought I don't need it. I don't need to spend that sort of money. It's about 120 quid, but obviously offers, you can get it for about 99 quid, something like that, when it's on offer. Now, I've always put it off because I thought, well, you know what? It's a bit of a waste of money. I don't do that many installs. Well, actually, I do, especially now. And it's not, when you're using regular pipe cutters, it's not good on your wrists. And I've noticed that recently. Obviously, you start getting aches, pains, things start clicking that shouldn't be clicking. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to take the plunge. I'm going to spend the money, I'm going to get one. So as usual case, guys, we're going to take a look over the tool, see what it's got to offer, and we'll try it out for this week, so give it a nice demonstration, and then at the end of the week, I'm going to do my final thoughts and chuck them onto a video for you. So no more messing about, let's get into the video, find out what this bad boy's got to offer. The high-performance motor delivers up to 500 RPM and cuts 12mm to 28mm copper pipe in seconds. RedLink overload protection and constant speed electronics provide durability and performance. Auto-locking cut mechanism cuts installed copper tubing with as little as 37mm clearance. All metal sealed front end with rust and corrosion resistant cut head. Onboard fuel gauge and LED for added user convenience. And illumination in low lit working conditions are an added bonus. Supplied with the M12 RedLithium-Ion battery and blow-moulded case. This little bad boy is a brushed motor, has a charge time of just 30 minutes, and it comes with a 3 years manufacturer's guarantee. The power supply is of course cordless, and the tool weight is 1.7 kilogram. So as for some final thoughts, guys, I cannot believe it's taken me this long to talk myself into buying one of these things. This week, it's been an absolute godsend. It's been a miracle worker. I've done around 8 combi installs, and there's not a lot of work involved, but a lot of cutting pipe, preparing for soldering and that sort of thing. This has cut my installation time down loads. It's been so good on my wrists. I don't know if you're like me, but I begrudge buying new pipe slicers and that sort of thing. 15mm isn't too bad, but 22mm tends to track, and my 22s have about had it. And I didn't realise how much I used to struggle until I actually got this. If you're in the plumbing and heating business, gas industry, that sort of thing, the HVAC or whatever, or you're messing around with pipe work, you're going to need one of these. That's it. That's the end of it. It truly is worth its weight in gold, and I can't rave about it enough. There is some links in the description, so you can check them out price-wise. If this is your first Milwaukee purchase, then obviously you're going to need the kit, including the battery and so on. You can use additional batteries that you may already have in your pack. It's perfectly fine. The only niggles that I do have is, which I understand the design issue, is the fact that you can't get, such as clip pipe work on the wall, you can't get to it. So you're going to have to unclip it and move it forward. Even if it's on standoff brackets, you still can't quite get it. And the other thing that I would like is a bigger model. For the more industrial side and commercial side of things, I would like to see bigger pipe work. Obviously, this is only 12 to 28mm, but obviously sometimes you're going to be working on 35 and so on, 50, that sort of thing. So it would be nice to have an additional item that can do that, but that's no bad words said about this. This works amazing. Definitely happy with it, and I can't recommend it enough to you. So if you don't have one, please go out and get one, because you'll notice a huge difference. Huge difference. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button, because it does matter. See you on the next video.